Pollutants in the air are dangerous, we know that, but fine dust from other materials such as concrete also damage our respiratory system. That is why a professional vacuum cleaner belongs on every construction site. The biggest problem is always congested filters that cannot cope with the amount of dust. This innovative self-cleaning system allows continuous work, even with large amounts of dust. Constantly interrupting work to clean congested filters is now a thing of the past. The patented system has been designed in such a way that no loss of suction occurs during automatic cleaning. When one filter is cleaned, the other continues to work without any significant loss of suction power. This innovation does not require an air compressor or complex electronics, which makes it very reliable and low maintenance.